Today we got a video from Body Cam Files, and the title of the video is Friends Get Kicked Out of Hotel at 5 a.m. Ends Badly.
Police respond to a hotel at around 5 a.m. where the security has requested a group of 4 to be trespassed after causing a huge commotion.
I just want to sit because I feel like I was ganged up on. I don't want to do anything crazy. I just want to sit because I feel like my friends ganged up on me.
Okay.
Clearly they weren't my friends. I thought the one was. And
are you staying here?
yes, I'm safe. My room is 411. I just want to calm down before I go to my room. Because I don't want anything to escalate. I just now know these girls aren't my friends.
Okay. How many of them are up there?
Like 4.
Can I tell you how I feel before you talk?
Sure. I wasn't talking, but go ahead.
I know, but I know you will eventually.
Okay.
So this trip was me and my coworker that we've been knowing each other for like 6 years on and off. And I didn't feel fully comfortable with her friends. And I thought I was fully comfortable. It's like he switched on me. And I didn't do anything against anybody. And I'm just like, I don't want to be a part of this drama. You're not listening.
I am listening. I just gotta
saying,
watch other
okay.
people around me. Where are you gonna stay if you don't stay here tonight?
Here.
Well,
This is the only option until the girls. Me, like this whole thing against me, I didn't do anything.
I got you. Well, I don't think staying here is gonna be an option tonight for you or your friends. So, what's a backup plan?
I'm telling you, I'm not making any misfits. I'm telling you, I work 80-90-hour weeks.
Like I said, you're not gonna.
Okay, but I'm gonna rest here before I make any decisions because my mental health is not okay right now. So just let me sit for 10-15 minutes and then
You can
I'll order
sit
an Uber.
while I go talk to them, but they want you off the property.
I know.
So go ahead and start your Uber or something.
I just need a moment before I order an Uber.
And I'm telling you, I'm giving you a moment, but by the time I come back down here,
we're
I
in
want you to order-
agreement.
Okay.
I know.
I don't want to have to kick you off the property physically.
You would never.
I would have to if you didn't refuse to leave.
I'm not refusing to leave.
Okay, I'm giving
I
you a
just
chance
need
to.
a mental break because
All right.
I'm like stressed
We'll
right
take your
now.
mental break and start your Uber, okay?
And this girl just don't even.
Hello.
Hello. Are you guys all packing to leave?
Yeah, we're out of
Okay.
here.
The girl that's downstairs, is she going with somebody?
She needs to, yeah, she needs to go
Is she
somewhere.
with you guys?
She was. Oh, but she's been drinking way too much.
Yeah, I can tell. All right.
I can tell.
Yeah. So.
Yeah, she got kicked out yesterday. Like, this is
All
too
right.
much.
So you guys gotta, unfortunately, get a move on, because.
I just have 2 bags.
Okay. Because, yeah, I guess the hotel staff wants you guys out like ASAP, so I don't want to have to trespass anybody.
Yeah, we are out of here.
I hear you loud. I'm out.
Best believe
gotcha.
that. Ow.
Who knows the girl downstairs the best?
Me. I work with her.
Okay. All right. Are you guys all going in the same car?
Probably not.
Is she going with you then?
I am with them. So,
Are y'all planning
Is she going to the airport with you guys?
she needs to. But I don't think she's going to get in the car.
Okay. Well, she has options to leave, and
Yeah.
I'll leave that up
That's
to her.
on her.
All right, this is what I'm saying, right? And my closest friend, everybody know this about me. Listen, those of you guys that are new to the channel, like I'm saying, new within maybe like the past, like maybe 4 months, 6 months, maybe or something. You know, guys that have been on this channel for a little minute, y'all know that I spent 6 months in Asia. You know, I travel and stuff like that. That's my thing. But when I travel and stuff, right, and let's say I'm going with a group of friends or friends, you know, we may all have this same trip or we might be going on the same resort or whatever the case may be. Do not ask me to share a room. It is not happening. I am getting my own stuff. You getting your own stuff. Why I say that? Because everyone lives differently, right? So yes, we could be the best of friends. We could be like this. You could be my brother. I might take a bullet for you. Like, you know what I'm saying? But when it comes to my private space, I'm a loner. You know what I'm saying? I like spending time by myself. I like having my peace and quiet. I do not want to be, you see how they rooms is, hold on, let me switch it over. You see how they got the double beds and all of that, and they all piled up in there? It's not happening. I haven't shared a room with somebody on a vacation since I was like 22. And that is a long time. Like, I'm 31 now. I'll be 32 in a few months. Like, it's not happening. Been to many different countries and everything. Why? Because when you guys get into conflicts and stuff like that, you have nowhere to go, right? So these two know each other, right? Co-workers, whatever, but she's loyal to her friend group, and now she's kicking her off to the side. And even if they get into an argument, they really don't have no space. That's why the girl said, I kind of feel uncomfortable being, well, you wouldn't have felt uncomfortable if you would have got your own room. If you can't afford your own room, you shouldn't be going on the goddamn vacation. So that's how my take on it, man. Yo, don't be sharing no rooms, man. Get your own shit. If you can't get your own shit, don't go. All right? That's my advice for y'all that be taking y'all vacations.
Okay. All right, I'll let you finish packing.
Yeah, thank you.
Yep. All right, what are we doing?
I'm packing my stuff and leaving because clearly these girls are not my friends.
Okay, well, let them get out first, and then you can grab your stuff. Yes.
I'm here to pack my own stuff. They can stay for the night. They can be comfortable.
They can't stay. They have to go too.
They can be comfortable. I'm one person. I'm not going to wait for 4. Please just let me pack my stuff. I have most of it packed.
Well, they're almost done. You can go and grab the rest of your stuff when they're done. Yes. You're shaking your head no, but I'm shaking my head yes.
I will listen to you, but not this bitch. Because she
Why
does
she
not
didn't do anything to you?
Because exactly, she don't even listen to the full story and she's got a problem.
She doesn't even talk to you.
Exactly. She hasn't even talked to me. And she's still got an attitude on her face. Yeah. Report somebody else. I'm 5'3", 180 pounds. What do I really need?
Why are you being hostile?
One person.
Look at me.
Because these bitches, especially this one, is fake as as a friend. Okay?
Don't point.
Get
Oh,
away
boy.
from me, dude.
Oh,
You
boy.
are.
We're not getting physical.
It's going
I
down.
have always tried backing her up, and all of a sudden she's got a problem, and now everybody else has got a problem. And she's got a smirk on
Can you
her
move?
face like it's nobody's business.
Can you move so they can get by?
I'm right here. I can't move any further unless you want me to jump off, which
I
you'd
don't
be
want you to
doing me a
jump off.
favor, brother.
No.
Thank you. I always like you. You're never part of something. You're never part of drama.
All right, you can finish packing now.
These bitches are.
Okay, you can finish packing now.
I have like everything.
Then why do you have to come back up here?
Because I need to get the rest of everything. Yes, thank you. Everybody's been wearing them, so thank you for not letting anybody steal them. We're not. Yeah, right. Not you. We don't need anything.
So what do you still have in here?
Not you. Like I said, maybe Caitlin.
What do you still have in here?
I can't hear you. Come closer. Caitlin, fun. I can't hear you. Come closer.
This is aggressive.
I think not. You're a bad friend. You asked me 2 days ago. You're a bad friend.
I thought you had stuff you had to finish packing.
Like I said, I am, but she's a bad fucking friend.
Okay.
Amanda's cool. She's almost
What is he covering
cool,
the
but
mic or
she's
something?
fucking
Why is the
Amanda's
volume so goddamn
not
low?
Amanda. Katie's fella, she's a bad fucking friend.
Finish packing.
Can you come in here with me, just you? I don't want her.
Oh, I want her with me, so.
No, I'm not gonna do anything bad.
I don't think you.
No.
What do you have to pack?
That's not how that works. You don't get what you want here. You are not trustworthy. If you want to come in, come in.
What do you
Like,
have against
you're
her?
not.
Listen, she might want to be easy because I say this all the time. Women, when they get in trouble, they are better off with a male officer. If you run into a female officer, it's gonna be problems. And she gonna get you together. That female officer is gonna get you together. Get your attitude right. You may have a software update, but they gotta get you back up to program speed. You know what I'm saying? They gotta, you know what I'm saying? You might have you might need an alignment, okay? And the lady officer is gonna get you together if you're a lady suspect or whatever. So she might just want to keep it cool. Do what you doing, cause you provoking the lady officer, and she gonna tighten you up, boy.
Right. Cause she doesn't even take a second to listen to anything I say.
She got here
And she's
after
got
me.
this attitude.
Okay, what do you have to pack?
Then you want to listen to one thing I gotta say?
Grab your stuff.
Then come in.
Can you grab?
It doesn't need to be a scene to wake everybody up, so come in.
It's not, but the door's not gonna close.
Okay, so everybody's going to hear this and nobody's gonna sleep.
What do you have to pack?
Nobody's gonna sleep.
She can leave. Just leave it at the desk. Perfect.
I will.
Just leave it in there. Perfect. Works for me.
Never.
Get dressed. Put your pants on.
Your
Let's
makeup
go.
is off.
Okay, I don't care. Get dressed.
Can
Let's
I
go.
give you a favor?
Get dressed.
No more cover up
Get
or
dressed.
anything
Let's
like that. Oh, now you're in self.
Why is her pants off?
I'm not touching you, bro. I'm not touching you. I'm not touching you. Get off me! Get off me! Yeah, this wants to me. Get off. Get off me. Stop. All because I said your makeup is bad.
Put your hand behind your back.
I told you, get off me, dude. You're breaking my left wrist. Get off my left wrist. Help me up. Help me up. Help me up. Exactly. Gigi, I don't know right about this.
She said-
Huh?
She's got shorts on.
Exactly. I said I'm complaining from day one. I just said I'm not safe with her.
And she can come back one time to get.
I promise you.
Perfect.
And
We ready to go?
Yep.
All right, come on, we're going downstairs.
Please, can you put my hair up? I have a hair clip somewhere.
No, we're not putting your hair up. Come on.
My credit card is right there.
It's staying in
My
here.
credit card is right there.
Staying in here.
Why would you touch a woman like this? My credit card is here, and I don't even live in Florida. Don't touch me. Yeah, you're not trustworthy either. Yeah, I'll call your fucking girl's back.
Thank you.
Unbelievable.
No,
Yes.
I'm telling you,
And I'm telling you.
my shit is still in there, and you want me to leave Wisconsin without it?
You're in Florida.
Exactly. You want me to leave Florida back to Wisconsin 32 hours away without it?
Ma'am, what stuff are you talking about?
My fucking debit card.
I'm not yelling.
I know. I don't mean to yell at you. I'm so
I understand,
upset.
but I'm not yelling, so don't yell.
Can I
okay?
just go with you and show you? It's my wallet and it's my debit card. It's my phone. I don't know how else to get there.
Let's come out here. I'm
And
gonna talk.
clearly, I can't trust this guy because he's under a fucking woman's thumb.
Hey, listen.
Just go right to my car.
Hold on.
Please.
Is her wallet up there?
Yes.
We have no idea where anything is. She took everything out of her purse.
Just calm down for a second.
My ID.
Okay.
My credit card. Keep talking about
I'll
you.
see-
Why do you
look.
keep doing that?
Okay,
It's so
listen,
disgusting.
listen,
Why
listen.
can't you be a girl's
Listen,
girl?
okay?
I was sleeping.
Be a girl's girl.
No, I'm talking to him.
No, you're not.
I'm talking to him.
Go in.
You're you're hurting me.
Then walk.
No, you hurt me. You're hurting me.
Walk.
You're hurting me. Let me go so I can walk like a human.
You're not walking like a human.
Exactly. Let me go so I can walk like a human. I'm not gonna fucking touch you. I'm fucking 5'3", 180 pounds, brother. Look how compliant I am.
Now take a seat.
All because you can just listen to me. Girl needs to get away from me.
She's not. Look, she's up for doing her paperwork.
Yeah, I'm doing her paperwork and making me feel like a crazy animal.
She's doing is typing on her computer.
No, she is contributing to my trauma issues right now, and I've been trying to tell you guys that. You
Ma'am,
don't
she's just doing her
listen.
paperwork right now, okay? All she's doing is her job.
I don't want her to drive me, please. I don't want her to
Come
drive
on,
me.
shut
I
the
don't
door.
want her
Let's go, man.
I'm
Time
telling
to
you,
go.
I feel safer with a man. Please do not let her buy me.
We'll figure
I don't
something out.
care. Any
Stretch
one
your
of you,
time. Watch
do
your
not
right.
let her buy me.
Listen.
I'm telling you.
I'm telling you one
I'm
time. I'm telling you
where
one
things
time.
are in case
Okay, I
things
understand.
are not okay
I understand, but listen. I put the window down so you could breathe.
I know.
If you're going to continue to scream out the window, I'm going to put the window back up.
Can I tell
Okay?
you
Because
something
no, you
about
can't
my
even talk to.
medical first?
Casey was charged with trespassing and obstructing an officer without violence.
Ooh, that mugshot was rough. I ain't gonna lie to you. Listen, when they got out of the elevator and the officer was trying to work with her about her credit cards and things like that, the other officers were annoyed because she's been nothing but a pain. And I could tell on their faces that they're like, yo, we're not trying to work with her at all. And we should be just trying to get her to the car or whatever now. And they're probably going to talk about him behind his back. I'm just saying. Okay. I'm just saying, that's, because they're not all on the same accord, Now, the only way that would be different is if maybe that guy was the sergeant. If that guy is the sergeant, then, he's running the show. But when you got, let's say, 5 officers who are all, and 4 of them are all on the same page, and then the other one is trying to sugarcoat everything, it makes for it's not that good. But anyways, overall, I think the officers did the best that they could, and they got her together. You know what I'm saying? So I'm saying 4 out of 5. I'm giving them a 4 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.